A new baby brings celebration and joy for mom and dad, and many happy introductions to family and friends.
Everybody wants to see the baby and hold and cuddle our new little one. Of course, our baby's beautiful.
But all that contact can also be dangerous because of pertussis, also known as whooping cough. Pertussis is a highly contagious disease that spreads like a cold. It can cause seizures, brain damage, and even death in infants. 75% of babies who get pertussis get it from a family member who has it. Most adults do not know they have the disease. To them, it may seem like a mild cold or cough, but pertussis is very dangerous to infants.
That's why I asked everybody who's going to be around our baby to get a Tdap vaccine, even the babysitter.
Tdap protects against tetanus, diphtheria, and pertussis. Newborns are very vulnerable to pertussis, especially during their first 2 months of life. Before visiting a newborn, adults should get the Tdap vaccine. This simple act can keep babies from developing whooping cough.
We all got the Tdap vaccine because we wanted to protect the newest addition to the family.
Get your Tdap vaccine at your healthcare provider, local pharmacy, or health clinic. Spread the word about pertussis. Share this video with your family and friends via email, Facebook, or Twitter.